So you're thinking about making the switch to a low-maintenance artificial turf yard. And now you're wondering, where do I start? We've all seen those bad artificial grass installations, and you don't want that to happen to you. You want that perfect-looking artificial grass, the kind that makes your neighbors jealous. You know the one. So you head to Google and you search, artificial grass near me. But who do you choose? Well, let's start with what other people are saying. Northwest Synthetic Grass has over 260 five-star Google reviews. I mean, we're the highest in Canada, but no big whoop. Now let's talk about the process of converting your existing yard into your new dream oasis. First thing we need to do is remove 4 to 6 inches of the current yard. So if you had 500 square feet and we need to take out 4 to 6 inches, that would be... Aiden, can we just put a graphic on the screen that explains the math? Cool. 108 wheelbarrows? Oh, my back is sore just thinking about it. But now that we've ripped up the yard, we've got to bring in 4 to 6 inches of crusher dust. Bring back the wheelbarrows! The crusher dust gives us a foundation for the grass and also builds a solid base for drainage. Let me walk you through a few key metrics to think about when deciding which grass to get. The first is weight. The heavier the grass, the more dense and robust it will be. So yeah, size matters. The lighter the grass, the less thick it will be. The higher the traffic area, the heavier you want the grass to be. You get the idea here. Synthetic grass is sold in rolls that are 15 feet wide. So if your yard is wider than 15 feet, we need to cut the grass and join it together. And we use seam tape and glue. That's right, we glue these bad boys. Now it's time for infill, like this silica sand. This goes in the grass to keep it in place, as well as keep the blade standing up. Now if you have a pet, you want to use something called zeolite in EnviroFill. Thanks, Jazz. Zeolite is made from all natural materials and goes in your grass to eliminate any odors and bacteria. Hey, where's the EnviroFill? EnviroFill! I know what you're thinking. Are these guys done yet? Almost, but first we gotta put in these bad boys. 7-inch spikes go every 6 inches around the perimeter to keep your grass in place. Now your grass is done and you can enjoy your new low-maintenance oasis and peace of mind with Northwest Synthetic Grass 10-year warranty on all products and installations.